morning from Hua Hin in the morning. This looks so much better than at night. I'm going on a little walk. It's very hot, so that won't be a long walk, but I'll show you a little bit of this nearest area here in Huahin, approximately 1 kilometer from the city center. I'll show you a beach. I'm not taking the shortest way because I want to go to one cafe. So first a cafe and then the beach. The beach is there, very close, something like a 2-minute walk from my hotel. And here, this is the big road with quite a lot of traffic in the evenings, not now. Some shops here, massage shops, a dentist, a small convenience store I see. Looks like the life here is happening next to this busy road. This is one of the, or was it here, the place that I want to go to? No. Looks like if you want some more relaxed stay here, you have to do like I did and stay a little bit away from this big road. This I noticed during my morning walk. A 2-bedroom place, 2-bedroom apartment in this complex. 27, oh no, starting from 19 million, whatever, so 19 million baht. Last 3 units at 9.9 million baht. Market Village. Don't know what is that. Looks like some shopping center, shopping area. I saw it being mentioned in a few reviews of hotels that I was checking out here when looking for a place where to stay. Here, in front of us, there is going to be the beach, and right before the beach there is one what looked like a cool cafe or restaurant. I want to go and check it out. Where do people who live in these 500,000 apartments, where do they go to eat? It might be a fancy cafe or restaurant. I did a quick look at the place on Google Maps just to know that it's open. It wasn't open when I was on my morning walk at 6. So yeah, so I guess this is what the apartment building looks like. If you buy an apartment for $500,000 or more in Huahin, right next to the beach. Almost missed it. Social house. I think this is a restaurant. You can buy an apartment here. I think I may opt for a pizza or life is short. Socialize. All day dining menu at social place. cup of hot tea, of course, in this plus 35-degree weather, looking out at the sea. A book while I wait for food, and then food, and then beach, and then I'm thinking of showing you one cafe on the way back. One more. 2 is a good number for a single video. Okay, looking good. These are my chicken tacos and hot Earl Grey tea. 510. Now let's go to the beach. I guess you can also sit here. Okay, so the beach looks good, but there is water. It's missing. The water is missing. It's low tide right now, but this looks good. I like seeing a long stretch of beach like this. Okay, people are also swimming. It's good. I think I'm coming here for a swim later when it's high tide and it's all in water up to here, I guess. At the moment, with this limited experience with Hua Hin, I'm getting a feeling that this is a more upscale destination. I like this about the place. So tourists that I see here look different. Looks like Koreans like this place, and also Northern Europeans. Okay, nice places here where you can go and have a meal. And yeah, just across my hotel there are 2 guest houses or hotels, Swedish guest houses. Well, they have a Swedish flag outside. Maybe it's owned by a Swedish person or popular among Swedish, and many Swedish are coming there. Let me check the map. Where is that cafe that I wanted to go to? Okay, it's a little bit back. Tacos. Okay. Una is making better tacos. I think Una needs to open her own taqueria. The place, the atmosphere, amazing. I haven't seen that place, but I found on a map what looked like a nice cafe. And I want a coffee now. I found it. Okay. Latte, mocha, cappuccino, flat white. Yuzu coffee. No, latte. 120 hot coffee. Place with a view. On that, let's finish this first video. See you soon. Still from Huahin, Thailand. See ya.